Hey guys, today we are going to Kirkland's. I am looking for some decor items for a couple of upcoming projects. I want to add a little rustic touches to my fall decor. So for fall this year, instead of adding a lot of fall decorations, I'm going to bring in warmth through color and texture. It will be somewhat of a modern farmhouse look with clean lines and a little boho, modern boho, and a lot of texture. So today I'm going to focus on things that might work for some of those projects. I'm also going to stop in Homegoods and see what they have there. So I'll start here with the vases. I am looking for some vases with texture and a little bit of color. Now I like the white one down here on the bottom. I like the size and I like the shape and I like the fact that it has the little handle. But it did have a little chip in it. And so if you see things like this while you're out shopping, you might be able to get a little discount on it if you're interested. But I did think this was a little pricey at $59.99. Okay, so I really like the vases here on the top. I think they're giving me a little bit of Pottery Barn vibe. And I thought the price was good at $46.99 for the size of the vase. So I like this little basket here. It has a little rustic touch. And this can be used as a fruit bowl, or you can add moss balls or even pumpkins. And I thought it was a good price at $19.99. I like this one here as well. I like the shape. And I also saw something very similar at Restoration Hardware. Well, not very similar, but the same type of idea. And this bowl was only, what was it, $36.99. I didn't get the price on the moss balls. Didn't see a price on that one, but I think that would be a nice little tray for like a drink tray, like a serving tray. Now this plant is pretty. I think you can use this in a bookcase or even on your coffee table or a side table. Now these beads are very nice. You guys are always asking me where do I get my beads, and I have bought a few from Kirkland's, and they have a nice selection of colors. They have the dark gray, this light gray, they have white and cream. And they're really a good price at $16.99. Now this is a nice little console table or a storage table, like if you wanted to put baskets on it or something. But for me, it was a little pricey at $249.99. Now I love the clean lines on this chair, and I took it upon myself to style it with a throw and a textured pillow. Now I love the texture on this mirror. And this is a nice coffee table. It has a little boho vibe going on. Now this love seat is an all-time favorite of mine. I also styled it with my own decor. Well, not mine, but I put their pillow on the floor and added something a little more neutral. And I just love the lines on this love seat. But at $4.99, I also thought it was a little pricey. Now, you guys always ask me where do I get my wood slices, and they have them here at Kirkland's for $14.99. Now, I didn't get mine here, but they're pretty much the same. And I love the color on this dinnerware. And you guys see I wear my gloves. I'm always wearing gloves when I'm out in stores touching a lot of objects. And I like that table as well. And I love this chair. The shape reminds me a little bit of the one that I saw in Restoration Hardware. Now the pampas grass is really popular, and they have it in 3 colors. They have cream, sage, and gray. Now I think these whiskey barrels are fun to decorate with. The little small one you can use as a side table. Now guys, I have been eyeballing these candlesticks for quite some time, so I don't know if today is the day that I'm going to get them. And these are nice little candles you can put in a bookcase as well, and they were on sale. Now they also had cotton throws, and this was pretty interesting. They had 2 in a pack for $49.99. Now I like the fact that they had a gray candles here. And I thought that was a good price at $12.99. Now, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but that pillow has been following me. And of course, I did a little styling here. Now, those pillows were really pretty, but a little pricey. I think she told me they were a return from an online purchase. They have nice lamps in case you guys didn't know. And then look at there, the little horse. You guys always comment on my horse. Mine is not a lamp, but I thought that was pretty unique. Now this little bench I thought was really pretty. I liked the color, but it was a little narrow. Love that chair. Kind of has that French country vibe. Now I was looking for a little poof, but those are not the right color. And they do have rugs, and some of them were on sale. So guys, that's it for Kirkland's, and I will share what I bought in another video. Now let's head over to Homegoods. Now Homegoods, they were a little picked over, but I did find a few treasures. Now I always put a lot of things in my cart, and when I'm done shopping, I'll go to a small little area in the store and put everything on the table and decide what I want to take home. Do you guys do that? Now I had no idea what that was. It was heavy. The pillow aisle was very sad. I did like those. I may have to go back.